It was a rainy night on the 22nd of December, with meagre pickings, but then, never seen before, a pair of water mongooses. These are usually solitary, and they were extremely skittish. It had dried up by 24th of December, and thankfully there was some Christmas Eve treats for the Genet. Christmas dinner was the bone of a lamb neck, and I decided to tie this down, preventing a grab and go with the loot. This young and nervous Genet got a fright every time after tugging on the bone, with the sound of the tray on the wooden deck, and the Genet then running away on each occasion. With one of these rearward tugs on the meat, the Genet pulled the tray out of camera frame, and it actually fell off the deck in the process. Thankfully the foliage below makes a lush and soft landing, with the Genet reappearing a moment later. Part of the super skittish behaviour could have been due to the approach of the feisty water mongoose. The water mongoose then coincidentally pulled the feed tray right back into centre frame, and then this tenacious African equivalent of a Tasmanian devil managed to wrestle the bone out of the tie-down wires. The mongoose then elects to continue consuming its feed in the water of a ground-based bird bath. Is this why they are maybe called a water mongoose? And why would it do this? Possibly softening the meat or cleaning off any sand and ants, or it could be an instinctive protection from predators. Who knows, and if you do know, then please leave something for us in the comments below. At 2:30 in the early hours of the morning, another more slender and likely younger Genet arrived, but unfortunately too late, with all the fanfare having been consumed by the earlier visitors. On the 27th of December, we had raw fish on the menu, and I knew that the rich smell of fish would bring visitors. And sure enough, I wonder if Genets can be distinguished by independent fingerprint type patterns on their coat markings, as with zebra or giraffe. This would be very interesting, and please share if you know anything about this. Thanks for watching, and cheers until the next Trailcam edition.